Hey you guys, it's Grifa Beauty. So today's video is going to be a little different from my everyday wig review. For today I have to show you guys some cute nails that I ordered off of Amazon. I'm rocking this cute outfit to go out with my brother today. He's hosting us, so I already got ready, but look at these nails. I just tanned, self-tanned, and I just want to look cute, so I went ahead and ordered some Amazon nails. These are so cute, by the brand KXAMELIE. It's KX. I'll leave it in the screen somewhere so you guys can see it. I really can't pronounce it, but they have a lot of cute nails. So this is the design I ordered. It's like some cute little kisses and glitter tips, black and white designs. Totally cute to go with my outfit today. And what I love about this is that it looks like it is high quality, and it comes with all the accessories you need. So some of these nails don't send you the glue. They'll just send you like the glue, the tacky glue that you could glue them, but that shit does not work for nothing. Like as soon as you touch something, it'll pop off. So you always do need the super glue. So I appreciate that so much. And it comes with a nail filer. Let me just open this little package. It says it has a double-sided sticker. Those are the ones that I'm talking about. The nail file, the wet and dry cotton, and then the wooden stick to push back your cuticles. I don't have scissors right now. Let me see how this is looking like. It just says thank you on, this is the brand, so you guys can see. So cute. Thanks for your purchase. They're very grateful to meet you. And like I said, it comes with a little cute filer, the wipes to clean your nails off. These are the ones that I hate, so I don't recommend these unless you're just gonna try to take a picture with them, because they won't let you do anything. They will pop off as soon as you touch anything. And yeah, it just has some quick instructions for you guys, but let me show you guys how I apply mine real quick. And yeah, you guys, so I'll just do a really fast forward and me applying in one nail and then showing you the guys the final result. If you guys are interested, just keep watching. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, share this with your friends. These are some really cute nails when you're in a low budget or just trying to like pop them off after an event. So yeah.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the.
So you guys, this is my finished look, and they are so cute. Like I really love their design. I don't know if you guys could appreciate like the little glitter in them, but you know what, for $9 and all these supplies, it took me less than 10 minutes to get it all together, and I'm ready to go. So now I'm ready to party. I didn't have to stop at the salon and wait and get all that done, and I could pop these off when I'm done, because I really don't like, I have a lot of kids and I have a lot of things to do. Yeah, can you stop? Again, get yours from Amazon, fast shipping. I got these the very next day, and this is the brand. I will leave the link to them in the description box if you guys are interested, because these are definitely cute for birthdays, any type of special events. They're high quality. These look real, and I don't feel like they're gonna be popping off anytime, because I'm a press-on nail queen and I know my good nails when I see them. Love you guys. Bye.